Google Cloud Digital Leader Practice Tests. MyExamCloud Study Plan. 8 full-length mock exams. 1 free trial exam. Objective and random tests. Take exam in practice or learning mode. Read answers with brief explanations in ebook format. Access course content from mobile app or web browser. 500 plus questions. Questions are grouped based on exam topics. Plan, practice, achieve dashboard. Set goals for your Google Cloud Digital Leader exam preparation. Set study plan for your Google Cloud Digital Leader course contents. Practice until you reach your target. Take objective and random tests. Take real exam with more confidence. Join MyExamCloud and take free Google Cloud Digital Leader practice test now.